Hi! In this video, I will show you how to control KMPlayer using the Keyboard Extension app on your smartphone. Before you begin, pair the Keyboard Extension app for Windows with the Keyboard Extension mobile app. When you open KMPlayer on your Windows PC, the corresponding widget will automatically turn on your smartphone. But you can create your own widget for this or any other app with different functionality. I've included a link to a tutorial on creating your own widgets in the pinned comment. With the keyboard extension, you can start and pause playback without using the keyboard or mouse. Or you can stop it completely by tapping the stop button. Tap the next and previous buttons to quickly switch between the files in your playlist. You can also fast forward or rewind playback by 30 seconds. Adjust the volume. Or mute the sound completely. Quickly turn the playlist on or off. Activate full screen mode. And open files without leaving the KMPlayer interface. There are two options here. Open a file from your PC or enter its URL. The Pin button lets you pin or unpin the player window so that it always appears on top of all other windows. And the Settings button instantly opens the Settings window. Improve your interaction with KMPlayer using keyboard extension.